Travelers, business owners, gather close. Every day the world grows louder, faster, more complicated. New tools, new technology, whispers of something called artificial intelligence. Some see it as magic, others as chaos. But in the right hands, it becomes power. I help businesses understand it, use it, and actually benefit from it. AI tools that save time, systems that bring in customers, technology that makes everything run smoother behind the scenes. This isn't about trends. It's about using the right tools for your business. It takes experience to know what works and what to ignore. If you've been hearing the noise and are wondering what actually matters, come find me. My name is Mark Rose. I'll help you make sense of it all.